Medical College, Prayagraj. Till now was the only medical college, and the contribution of Motilal Nehru Medical College to the society is vast and great. Most of the doctors here in the faculty as well as in Prayagraj, most of the specialists are all pass outs of Motilal Nehru Medical College, Prayagraj. It would be a pleasure for me to call upon stage Dr. S.P. Singh, Principal, MLN Medical College, Prayagraj, to please give his words of blessings to the students here.
Respected Chairman of this United Group, Sri Girdhar Gopal Gulati ji, President of this United Group, Dr. Jagdish Gulati ji, Vice President Sri Satpal Gulati ji, our most respected academician and principal of this Institute of Medical Sciences, Professor Mangal Singh. A special guest of this induction ceremony at first base of MBBS, Sri IG Sri K.P. Singh ji, Dr. Suresh Dwivedi ji, advisors of this medical college, Dr. Kartikeya Sharma, other respected guest faculty of this renowned college,
Corona.
all other employees of this medical college, dear students and their parents and relatives, respected media persons, ladies and gentlemen. It's really great pleasure and honor to me to present among this August gathering here today on the grand occasion of induction ceremony of first batch of MBBS students. I am really very much thankful to Sri Jagdish Gulati ji and Principal of this medical college, Professor Mangal Singh, for inviting me personally on this grand occasion to share my view and experience, especially to the young budding treasure of our nation and respected teachers. First, I would like to congratulate this united group for fulfilling the dreams of our city, for establishing a new medical college to this holy Sangam city, Prayagraj, which definitely will be great helpful to the society and to the nation. For as we know, there is still the deficiency of the doctors to fulfill the need of the society. So definitely it will help to the nation a great. And indeed, I am extremely happy to observe that this medical college is started with full strength. Means this batch is 150 MBBS batch is student batch, and all the seats has been fulfilled. And with good faculty member, all the faculty members, the full strength of faculty members, because somehow I am also attached, some attachment with this matter also. This Jagdish Gulati knows very well. This is some of the contribution and attachment to this medical college. And now I would like to congratulate all the students who have qualified NEET 2020 and joined this medical college. And I can say you are lucky that you have entered, I have joined the profession of medical science. As you know, this is the only profession where you can serve to the society in humanity, to the service of mankind. And you can serve to the society throughout your life without having any retirement age. This is the only profession. Along with you can learn name and fame, along with the money as well. So this is a very good profession. You are lucky. But this profession needs a lot of dedication, sincerity, and hard working. For this, Martin Luther said that a doctor must work 18 hours a day and 7 days a week. If you can't console yourself on this, get out of the profession. But again, our chairman has said that he is not discouraging by saying this sentence, but same thing also saying. But this is a message for our medical students that from very beginning you have to develop a reflex. You have to develop the habit by doing the hard working with dedication and sincerity. That is the reason for this, especially for the medical profession, I have coined my special formula to remember the students the formula of A, B, C, and D. For the medical, though it is for everybody, but especially this is very much helpful for the students, medical profession. Means for availability, you know, a doctor must be available at whatever the allotted time that you had given. Either you are working in the medical colleges or in the nursing home or the private as a medical practitioner. As you know, this medical emergency is a real emergency, and if attended properly at the right time, you can save the life. If you know, if you have mentioned anywhere that your timing, that is timing of the medical college, or timing of sitting in the nursing home, or clinics, and by knowing our timing, the supposed patient, any patient, serious patient is there, either cardiac patient, or the trauma patients, or any emergency patient, and if you are not available, what will happen? The patient, it may happen anything with the patient. So availability is very, very important. So you have to learn from very beginning, and this is said also from this forum by entering in the medical college. Availability is is very much helpful for the, especially the medical, especially the doctors. And you know, second part is also very important. That is, remember the basic letters of A, B, C, and D. B for behavior. This behavior is very important. What I am just observing and having some feeling of the deterioration in of our society. So you know, the behavior is very important, especially in the medical field, to develop the confidence to the person. It is always the having a feeling of the society. लोग हमेशा ये कहते हैं पूरी सोसाइटी कि अगर डॉक्टर्स, पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ अगर प्रेम से बोलते मरीज से तो आधी बीमारी दूर हो जाती है. This is not a simple word, but definitely this is really helpful throughout your life. So behavior you have to learn from very beginning, and this is the responsibility of the guardians also, parents also, to teach that is from very beginning throughout. It started from the home, and that will go throughout the life. So it's very important. And another word, C, is again very important. So try to become a competent doctor. Competent, it is not a simple word. There is no, competency is a combination of knowledge, skill, and attitude, especially right attitude. The right attitude is a small thing, but makes a big difference. How? You know, you may learn, you may have knowledge and still by your own. But you can learn the right attitude from your teachers only, from this forum only. Means what should be the attitude towards the patient.